Hello everybody, and in today's video, this is going to be a long video, but I'm going to be showing you the fire alarms throughout my Disney trip. It's going to be about 1 week long, I think, but yeah, let's drive to the airport, get on the plane, and we'll go from there. Got these break glass cases here. It's Gentex Commander 3s. On the second floor here, we have these tinted ones and V-Lock AS, I'm sorry. We have this Gentex mini horn in our room here. We also have this Gentex smoke detector without a strobe. I've never seen that before. We have another one of these mini horns in here. Check this out over here. We got this Cerberus Pyrotronics. I have no idea what model this is. Let me know in the comments though. That's pretty cool. V-Lock MT. Get this emergency light here. Works. Alright, so that's going to be it for the tour, because in Epcot and Animal Kingdom, all it is just Siemens speaker strobes and Gentex Commander 3s, but yeah, let's go back to the airport and fly back home, and I'll do a little ending there. Some type of door alarm is going off. Alright, I am home now, but I had a little surprise waiting for me here. I got 3 new Lithonia lighting exit signs with battery backup. And I also got 3 new Lithonia lighting emergency lights here. But I don't really know what I'm gonna do with these, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this fire alarms throughout Disney video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really saw some cool ones there. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna start uploading more this summer. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.